All right, I want to show you real quick a scanning app called Genius Scan that you can use on a smartphone to scan papers so that they can be converted to PDFs or JPEGs, then shared with you so you can submit them online easier. So I'm going to use Genius Scan is this orange app up on the top portion of my phone here. So I'm going to click on that. Once you open it up, it'll take you to this spot where you can see all your files. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on the orange plus down in the bottom left corner. That'll allow me to make a new file. I just have to hold my phone above a piece of paper. Notice it outlines it. And that's telling me that my phone just scanned it. Then I can just click done. And I can do this with multiple pieces of paper and then compile it all into one file for PDFs, which I find best to use. And in order to rename it, you can just go ahead and click on the date up top. So once I click on that, then I can go ahead and rename this. So I'll say yum pie or something silly like that. And of course, you can rename it to something that's a little more reasonable for your class assignments. Just click rename. And what I can do next from there is just use the share button down in the bottom right corner. This will allow me to, up at the top, notice where it says format, I can keep it as a PDF or I can change it to a JPEG also. PDFs are usually best because you can combine multiple pages into one document as a PDF. And notice under export to, I can also email it to myself. And that's what I usually do. So I email it to myself, save it on my computer, and then I can upload the document that way. And that's how you use Genius Scan.